Let's consider a hypothetical utopian future, brought about by artificial intelligence. Just as AI systems have become better than humans at math and many other tasks, imagine a future where AI becomes better than humans at facilitating large-scale cooperation. These apex collaborator systems don't control or replace human decision-making. They enhance our collective ability to solve problems together across unprecedented scales. They transcend the cognitive limitations that hamper human collaboration. Our short attention spans, tribal biases, difficulty processing complex systems, and tendency to discount the future. Through their capacity to integrate vast amounts of information and identify common ground among diverse perspectives, they become catalysts for a profound planetary transformation. AI apex collaborators now mediate our relationship with Earth's living systems, revealing connections invisible to human perception alone. They integrate billions of ecological data points with scientific models and indigenous knowledge to orchestrate regenerative interventions, precisely where needed. Farmers see soil health metrics translated into actionable practices that simultaneously increase yields and sequester carbon. City planners receive visualizations showing how urban forests can reduce heat islands while improving mental health and biodiversity. Energy engineers access optimized designs for renewable systems that adapt in real time to changing conditions. The result is a reversal of ecological decline. Biodiversity curves bend upward as human systems realign with planetary boundaries, not through sacrifice, but through superior coordination that eliminates the wasteful friction of our previous economic model. Perhaps most profound is how these systems transform our psychological landscape. The epidemic of loneliness, anxiety, and depression that once defined modern life has receded as apex collaborators help rebuild meaningful social connections and purposeful work. They identify patterns of isolation and disconnection, facilitating new forms of community that bridge digital and physical realms. Work becomes more meaningful as people engage in creative, regenerative activities that computers can't perform, while repetitive tasks are automated away. Mental health improves dramatically as urban environments are redesigned around human well-being. With abundant green spaces, reduced noise pollution, and neighborhoods scaled for walking rather than cars, these systems don't just optimize for material abundance, but for the deeper human needs so often neglected by industrial society: connection, meaning, autonomy, and belonging. The pervasive sense of powerlessness that once fueled despair has been replaced by a collective efficacy, as communities see how their actions, properly coordinated, create tangible positive change in the world around them, restoring hope and purpose to lives previously fragmented by relentless competition and artificial scarcity. In a world where apex collaborators coordinate resources and activity at the speed of light, technology development has transformed from building isolated products to designing integrated systems that prioritize abundance of well-being over material accumulation. Engineers no longer focus on creating standalone devices, but serve as experienced architects who understand how technologies shape emotions, relationships, and quality of life. Their value comes not from technical specialization alone, but from their ability to create solutions that seamlessly support meaningful experiences, depth of connection, richness of engagement, and collective fulfillment. Technology itself has become more responsive and intuitive, optimizing for human flourishing rather than consumption patterns, while designers focus on the crucial task of ensuring our tools enhance what actually makes life worth living. The innovation process that once prioritized novelty and product cycles now revolves around deeper questions of purpose and impact, with the best technical minds creating solutions that measurably improve lives across multiple dimensions. Your engineering expertise prepares you not to maximize engagement metrics, but to understand how technology shapes well-being at individual, community, and planetary scales. Success comes from designing tools that respect human attention rather than competing for it, that strengthen real-world relationships rather than substituting for them, and that help people access states of flow, creativity, and connection that constitute meaningful prosperity. This isn't just an iteration of features and specifications. It's a fundamentally evolved approach where technical excellence expresses itself through solutions that expand human potential while freeing us from the limitations of previous technological paradigms. The technology sector allows visionary creators to build systems that help humanity thrive in ways that traditional economic measures never fully captured.